Hi, fellow explorers. Today we decided it's a beach day. Yay! We're camping at the Isla Blanca campground, so it's just a short walk. We expected sand and waves and birds, but not large ships. It was a cool sight to see. Here's where our camper is on Isla Blanca in South Padre. Oh, look at the pelicans. Beach is over that way. You can hear the birds. There's lots of cactus around. Now we're getting ready to head to the beach. Alright, here we are walking on the little bit of boardwalk down to the beach, and look at the flowers that are open today. So pretty.
We got white ones over here.
Oh, I hear there's white ones on the other side. Yep. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. There's a shower, there's a shower. For when we're done. See flowers on the dunes over there too. It's good. Helps hold some of the sand down. Because it is very windy. Ooh, look at that surf. On land over there. Can't see the water anymore. Kind of cool. It's loaded up with those fan blades for the big wind turbines. You know. In the next episode, you'll see what we decided to do the next day. At some point this week, we'll also be visiting a birding center and a lighthouse. Have a great week, y'all. Bye now.